Finding a keyboard that truly bridges the gap between serious gaming and everyday productivity can feel like searching for a unicorn. But what if there was a contender that promised to deliver on both fronts, all while keeping your wallet happy? Today, we're diving into the shemines USB-wired RGB Backlight gaming keyboard, a mechanical keypad that's aiming to be your go-to for everything from intense gaming sessions to those long office hours. Right off the bat, the mechanical feel is satisfying, offering that tactile feedback many enthusiasts crave. But what really caught attention are those PBT translucent keycaps. If you've ever dealt with shiny, worn-out ABS keycaps, you'll appreciate PBT. These aren't just for show. They boast superior hardness, wear resistance, and even high temperature and aging resistance. It means your keys will look and feel fresh for much longer, which is a huge plus for heavy users. And of course, it wouldn't be a gaming keyboard without RGB backlight. It's vibrant, adds a fantastic aesthetic to any setup, and really brings the whole experience to life, whether you're battling foes in the dark or just adding some flair to your workspace. One of the standout features for both gamers and office workers is the multimedia knob. It's incredibly intuitive for adjusting volume on the fly, and paired with the 6 dedicated multimedia function keys, it makes controlling your audio and media a breeze without ever having to tab out of your game or interrupt your workflow. That's a level of convenience that's often overlooked but truly appreciated. For the gamers out there, the professional game structure supports the entire key without conflict. This means no more missed inputs during those critical, fast-paced moments. Whether it's N-key rollover or robust anti-ghosting, your commands will register precisely as intended, giving you that competitive edge. While it's branded as a gaming keyboard, its robust build and thoughtful features like the multimedia controls make it equally practical for office work, home use, or even for students. It's designed to be a workhorse, not just a show pony. The manufacturer, Shemines, with their model Shemines 11, really seems to have focused on delivering a high-quality, practical, and importantly, cost-effective keyboard. It feels like you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. So, if you're in the market for a durable, feature-rich mechanical keyboard that doesn't force you to choose between gaming prowess and everyday utility, the Shemines USB wired RGB backlight gaming keyboard is definitely worth considering. It's a solid, practical choice that delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.